If your CATI token has finally landed to Bitget, congratulations to you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer it out from an on-chain wallet like Bitget into exchanges like Binance or ByBit. For this particular video, we're going to use ByBit, but the steps are quite similar regardless of the exchange you are using. So without further ado, let's jump right in. In the last video, I showed you how to actually swap if you prefer to leave your CATI token on your Bitget wallet. I've made a video on explaining how to swap between CATI to USDT or CATI to TON. And I'll put the link to that in the description section of this video or somewhere around this video. So do have to check that out if you need to. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this your wallet button. So from here, this is my Bitget wallet, and I'll click on this wallet to access my assets. As you can see, I have some CATI token which I can transfer out to an exchange like Binance or ByBit. So for that, I will just click on this send button. So send means you are transferring out, and if you click on receive, it means you want to deposit into your wallet. So for me, I want to send out, and I'll click on it. Then I'm going to select this CATI token I have right here. Alright, so before proceeding, make sure this network is set to TON by default, but you'd want to confirm that it is set to TON before proceeding. Alright, so to proceed, we actually need two things, which is the receiving address and the memo from ByBit. So I'll show you how to retrieve that real quick. So here on my ByBit account, I want to deposit, so I can click on this deposit button right here and then select deposit crypto option. So I already have CATI pulled up on my search history, and I can just click on it. If you don't have it, you just click on this search bar right here and search for the token you want to deposit. For me, I want to deposit CATI token, so I'll search for it, and then you will see it listed somewhere below, so I will just select it. Alright, so the network is important because from the Bitget wallet, the network is set to TON, so you actually need to confirm that this is TON before proceeding. So I'll go ahead and select this TON network. Okay, so if you recall correctly, on the Bitget wallet, we needed the wallet address and the memo. So I'll go ahead and copy this wallet address first, then return back to Bitget and paste it in. Okay, next up, we actually need the memo. So I'll return back to ByBit and copy this memo and return back to Bitget. And in this memo field, I'll paste it in. So in this amount, you specify the amount of CATI you want to transfer out. So I want to transfer out everything, so I'll select all. Alright, so next up, once that is confirmed, be sure to confirm that you have this wallet address and the memo before proceeding. So I'll click on this confirm to proceed. The gas fee for this transaction is around 0.002952 TON. So you actually need to have some TON coin on your Bitget wallet because you need to pay for gas fee when sending out from an on-chain wallet to an exchange. So if you need to fund your Bitget wallet, I've made a video explaining how to transfer TON coin from an exchange like ByBit into an on-chain wallet like Bitget or Tonkeeper. So I'll put a link to that video in the description section of this video in case you need to give that a watch. So I am happy with this, and I can just click on confirm. Alright, so transaction has been approved, and it will take some time for blockchain verification to complete before this transaction will be transferred to my ByBit account. So I'm going to pause this video and pick it up once it is completed. It took about 5 minutes, but the transaction has been completed and my balance has reflected on my ByBit wallet. So to confirm, I can just click on this assets button, then select my funding balance, and then I can click on this transaction history button to see the most recent transactions. Okay, so as you can see, we have about 1.298 CATI token, which was deposited a few minutes ago. So this shows that the transaction from from Bitget has been completed, and the balance is available on my Bitget wallet. And I can now, from this ByBit wallet, I can transfer or trade it between CATI and USDT if I want to. So I've made a video explaining how to convert your CATI token to USDT on ByBit. I'll put the link to that in the description section of this video in case you need to give that a watch. Hope you found this video helpful. Do out to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and share this video with your friends who are yet to transfer out their CATI token.